What is up everyone, today I am testing out this electrostatic panoramic roof sunshade designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. A huge thank you to Tesla for sponsoring today's video. Now, the massive panoramic glass roof that is one of the best looking features of the Tesla Model Y, but during the summer, it also gets a serious amount of heat, which is why I have this electrostatic panoramic roof sunshade. This basically has a soft touch to feel material on the inside, but on the outside it has electrostatic capability, which means you don't need no clips, no adhesion, no suction whatsoever. This is a special type of surface that attaches directly to the panoramic glass. As you can see right here, it has a shiny glossy texture on the back, which is the electrostatic layer, and on the front there is a nice soft feel to touch material, and I got this in the white color. And now let's go install it in my Tesla Model Y Juniper. So as you can see right over here, here is the panoramic roof that's in the car. And as you can see, let me do like a temperature test real quick. So first of all, I have this thermal laser gun that I'm going to be pointing at the roof. And as you can see, wow, it is a whopping 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The glass is very hot and all that heat is coming down into the cabin. So let's install this electrostatic protective sunshade. So first I started off in the middle because that is like very easy because you just work your way through the back. As you can see, you just slowly apply it, slide your hand through, and it would just stick to it perfectly. So just do corner by corner, first to the middle, then the right side, and then the left back corner, and then finish off with the front as well. As you can see, there is no water, no suction, no clips whatsoever. It just sticks to the glass like magic science. And as you can see, it has a perfect shape, perfect cutout according to the Tesla configuration. So here I have the heat gun again, and I'll be doing the temperature test again, and as you can see, it dropped 30 degrees. It is showing only 99 degrees Fahrenheit, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty impressive. Like I just put this on and it just like reduced 30 degrees, which is huge. Now I'll also be doing it on the seats as well, and on the seats it dropped 12 degrees even more, down to 88 degrees, which is pretty insane of how cool it can keep the cabin. Here I have like a little spot coming through the side windows, and with that spot it increases to 103, so you can really see how well this sunshade actually works. Alright, and that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment down below on what you think about this amazing new technology with electrostatic capabilities. As you saw, the temperatures were drastically reduced with the addition of this electrostatic protective sunshade, and also you can see that this white color actually applied like a really brighter look to the interior. Now of course, if you have white interior, then this will blend in perfectly. Now, I will also leave an Amazon link down in the description box below for you to check that out. Once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.